Alright, so I got a new piece of wood to redo this decking. I had used red oak, and in the video where I did it, one of the fans of this project told me what the wood really is, and actually had access to a piece. So I got a brand new cutoff of actual trailer decking boards, and it's Apitong. Apparently Apitong has about twice the strength of red oak, so it's much better for this. So I have here a sample of each side, and I'm going to use it. Now if you look, it's also much denser, similar coloring, but it's darker, and this actually has poly on it too, so it would have been lighter without that. So I'm going to put some poly on that too when I get it all, and we'll see what it looks like. I'd imagine it's going to be fabulous. So I'll need to cut a few strips. Let's get it set for the thickness of the strips of wood. Right there. Go with a 1/4 inch so I can plane both sides. All right, there's the rough cut boards. I need to give them that light edge sanding and a little bit of polyurethane. All right, they're actually sanded now, so let's see if they fit where they're supposed to fit. And they do. Can't wait to see how it darkens up. So especially when I was cleaning this and it was getting sucked through, all the dust was going through that vacuum, the smell was very apparent. And let me tell you, this wood smells great. It smells like almost like a sweeter cedar. And it's kind of got a stringiness like cedar, but if you look, that's cedar, and look at the color difference. It's certainly not cedar, but it's got like the, I don't know, the fibrous properties of cedar, the smell of cedar, but supposedly much stronger than cedar. So I can't wait. It's got this nice red look. Oh, it's just gonna suck that I'm gonna have to wait till tomorrow to put the wood on. That's a shame. So we won't get to see it all together till tomorrow. But with this red tone, I think it's gonna look really good with that trailer. Oh, I'm gonna need another glove. Thought I was gonna be able to Michael Jackson it, but apparently not. Check out that Estrada Customs hat there. Hot dang. That's steel cut out on a plasma, CNC plasma. Shined up and bolted on there. That is sweet. Got the camo tone there. Man, I can't wear it with the GoPro, otherwise I would. But look at that thing. Estrada Customs, based out of Texas. Hit him up if you got some kind of metal project you want done. He does custom metal working, or if you want to see what he's got available. Makes signs and stuff. Oh, that darkens way up. Wow. I think I'm actually gonna put another coat on this. This wood is sucking it right up. Apitong, or coring. There's like 70 species that fall under this tree, and I guess it's native in Asia. But man, that is some straight grain. It's nice and tight grain too. And that cedar smell is something. Love me some nice wood. It's just wood I haven't seen before, you know. I've cut the African zebra wood, oak, all that kinds of regular stuff. I've seen a whole bunch of others, but I just never heard of this. Never cut it, never worked with it, never dressed it up. It actually cuts and works very easily. It's fairly heavy wood because it's dense. Look before and after. Yeah, boy. Oh, nice. That is some pretty wood. It's almost a shame to use it for such a utilitarian purpose, but it's a wonder that you can. And it's so beautiful. It is hot today. I'm surprised this wood isn't sweating. Jeez, it's humid too. I'm sweating just doing this. It's a rough day. I think Weather Channel weather was saying it was supposed to be 90 degrees here. All y'all in the south, man, you taking one for the team right now. I think you got it in the hundreds, triple digits and stuff. Man, that is something. I haven't seen that in years, and the way this 90 feels, oh boy. I'd be an inside cat this time of year down there right now, I think. So here's before and after the polyurethane. Look at the color difference. It gets a nice brown color after it's cut. And now let's compare it to the oak. If you look at the oak, look at how much more color it has compared to that oak. This Apitong has a very tight grain. You can see how much closer it is comparison. And it's just got beautiful coloring going on. Look at it next to that red there. It's gonna go great together. Yeah, it's gonna take this thing to the next level. It may end up putting another coat of the poly on it just to get a little deeper colors. I don't know. It's already got a nice sheen like the oak had, so I might just leave it as it is. If I hold it here, you can kind of see the gloss in the door off of it, but it's gonna look good. All right, till next time.